Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Cam here from Backfires and Burnouts. In our last video, we were putting the 427 small block in Jamie's 70.5 Camaro, getting a lot of likes and a lot of views, and a bunch of you are asking to see some road testing. So here you go. Enjoy the show. Last episode, you saw us get this bad boy running, and if you remember, at the end of the video, I talked about some transmission troubles. It ended up Jamie had to pull the transmission out and tear it down, and there was a seal in the transmission that had to be replaced. Anyways, now we got third and fourth gears, so it's time to test on her a little bit. This car is an absolute hoot to ride in. It is loud, it is mean, it is just downright aggressive. And it's exactly the way Jamie wants it.
Obviously, those certain vibrations, my lady friend really liked it.
Yeah, the ladies really like the 2,500 to 3,500 RPM in the seat. It's a little bit brutal, but
a little something for everyone, you know?
Yeah, you gotta have something for everyone. But no, this thing is absolutely freaking awesome. So now that the transmission's all worked out, changed out the carburetor for a different 750 HP Holly, and it's running good. So we're just putting some miles on it. As you can clearly see from the video, we're getting rid of some tires. It's just recycling. We're sealing the road.
Just breaking in the motor, you know?
Breaking in the motor. So yeah, it's well guys, thanks for tuning in. It's been fun. Again, if you could subscribe and smash that like button, helps us out lots. And anyway, as you can see, I've got the motor out of the Model A here. The old starter was rashing off the flywheel, so we're putting a new or flex plate, sorry, putting in a new flex plate. So yeah, poor thing. It was making a hell of a sound. Totally embarrassing. Yet to be the last guy to leave the show. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.